There are many different kinds of cooktops, and people like them for different reasons. A common misconception is that you cannot use cast iron on glass stovetops, but today we're going to talk about why that might not be true. Cast iron naturally warps while cooling during the manufacturing process, preventing it from sitting flat. Some manufacturers add a thin ring, which allows the skillet to sit flat, but it raises it off the burner just slightly, making the ring the only part contacting the burner. One of the biggest myths about cast iron and glass stovetops is that the skillet must be in full contact with the glass in order to evenly heat, but this isn't true. Another worry about using cast iron on glass stovetops is that it might scratch or break the glass. While this is possible, it's not likely as long as you're careful while cooking and your cookware is not sliding around. On electric stovetops, there are heating coils under the glass that send heat through the surface to the cookware. This allows you to cook with a vast variety of things, including cast iron, on glass stoves with little difference in performance. So whether your skillet has a ring on it or not, it will still work with electric ranges. With induction cooktops, the heat does not actually come from the burner. Because induction burners produce an electromagnetic field, they do not generate heat. However, when using a conductive material such as iron, the current travels through the cookware and generates heat. So it's not the burner that's creating the heat, but the skillet itself. Another worry about using cast iron on glass is that it might scratch or break the glass. But as long as you're careful, you should be okay. Make sure your skillet is clean and dry before setting it down, as food particles burned onto the glass are hard to clean off. Electric tops heat up slowly, so it's important to let the cast iron preheat. This also means that you will need to cook things a little bit longer. Induction tops, however, heat up very quickly, so make sure you don't overheat your skillet and damage your seasoning. A cast iron skillet is a great tool and an asset in any kitchen, no matter what type of stove you have. For more tips on cooking with cast iron on glass stovetops, visit marquettecastings.com.